Hey everyone, welcome to English with Bruce. I'm Bruce. Today is lesson 16. We have a fun and powerful idiom you'll always hear in business and everyday conversations. The elephant in the room. Yes, I really mean that elephant, but maybe not pink. In Korean, this means 누구나 알면서도 언급을 꺼리는 문제. Think about it. A huge elephant is sitting in the room, but everyone is pretending it's not there. Strange, right? That's precisely what this idiom means. It means there's an obvious problem, but no one wants to mention it. Business and everyday examples in action. 1. Business situation. Our company lost its biggest client last week, but in today's meeting, everyone just smiled and talked about new projects. No one mentioned the elephant in the room, our sinking sales numbers. 2. Everyday life. My boring cousin brought her ex-husband to our family reunion, but no one said anything. Talk about the elephant in the room. Let's say it together. The elephant in the room. Again, louder this time. The elephant in the room. Nicely done. Don't forget, every phrase you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next lesson. And don't miss Wednesday's exciting business English lesson. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. See you soon.